I honestly did not expect this AI tool to do this much. I typed in one sentence, and in about 30 seconds, it created an entire presentation for me. And not just text, actual design slides with layouts, visuals, and editable content. So today, I'm going to show you the coolest features and why this could save people hours of work. So this is Oreate AI, and the idea is simple. Instead of using multiple AI apps for writing, slides, images, and studying, Oreate puts everything together in one workspace. You can create presentations, generate AI images, study with an AI tutor, write essays, and even turn content into podcasts. Everything is inside one dashboard. But the biggest feature here is definitely the AI presentation maker. This is honestly the feature that impressed me the most. All you do is type a topic. Let's say, for example, create a presentation about the future of electric vehicles. Then Oreate automatically researches the topic, basically builds the structure, and creates the slides all for you. And you can actually watch the slides generate in real time. It automatically creates the title pages, the section layouts, the visuals, the charts, and overall design all for you. Honestly, some of these slides look like they were made by a professional designer. What I like is the presentation is fully editable after, so you can still change the text, you can update the slides, customize the layouts, and make it fit exactly the way you want it. You can also upload files or documents, and Oreate can turn your own notes into presentations automatically. What normally takes hours or even days of researching and formatting slides, Oreate can help generate in about 30 seconds. As you can see, the presentation that's generated isn't just a few basic slides. Oreate actually creates a complete presentation with organized sections, visuals, supporting information, and professional layouts. What I really like is how polished everything looks right from the start. The content is structured clearly, making it much easier to turn an idea into a professional presentation. You can see the different slide layouts, visuals, and supporting content that are automatically created to help tell that story of the presentation. And the best part is that everything remains fully editable. I can click into in a slide, update text, change sections, adjust content, and customize the presentation however I want. So instead of spending hours researching, organizing, and designing slides from scratch, Oreate gives you a professional starting point in seconds. For students, teachers, business professionals, or researchers, that can be a huge time saver. You can even upload your own files and documents and have Oreate help turn that information into a presentation, making the process even faster. Beyond presentations, Oreate also includes an AI essay writer. As you can see here, it can generate long-form content and structured documents that are organized and easy to work with. This can be useful for reports, research projects, academic writing, and other content that normally takes a lot of time to create. There's also a humanized feature that helps rewrite AI-generated content so it sounds much more natural and human. You can see the original version and the rewritten version, making it easier to improve readability and create more natural sounding content. And another interesting feature is the AI podcast tool. Oreate can transform information into podcast style content, making it easier to learn while you're on the go. I also like that there are different examples and categories available, giving you multiple ways to explore topics and consume information in an audio format. This could be useful for students, researchers, professionals, or anyone who prefers listening instead of reading. Overall, the presentation maker is definitely the standout feature for me because it combines speed, organization, and flexibility all in one tool. But it's also nice having these additional features available in the same workspace, making Oreate a versatile platform for creating, learning, and working much more efficiently. The next feature I tried was the AI image generator. And this is really useful because you don't need Photoshop skills or any design experience. You just type in what you want and Oreate generates the image all for you. This could be really useful for social media posts, presentation visuals, thumbnails, posters, product images, or just creative projects. And the cool part is everything stays inside the same workplace. So you can create a presentation and then generate matching visuals without leaving the platform. Another feature that stood out to me was the AI tutor. This is especially useful for students. You can upload notes, study materials, or documents, and Oreate turns them into learning tools automatically, like mind maps, flashcards, quizzes, and visual study guides. So instead of reading giant blocks of text, you can study in a much easier way or visual way. I think this could save students a lot of time. Oreate also includes other tools like AI essay writer, humanizer, translator, and even an AI podcast generation. So there's definitely a lot built into one platform. What makes Oreate stand out is that it feels much more like a productivity workspace, not just a simple chatbot. You can create slides, generate visuals, study smarter, write content, and manage everything in one place. That makes it feel way more practical for real-world use. So overall, if you want an AI platform that does more than just answer questions, and you want tools for presentations, visuals, studying, and content creation all in one place, Oreate AI is definitely worth checking out. The presentation maker, it was probably my favorite feature, especially because the slides actually look polished and they're still editable afterwards. I'll put the website link in the description code down below in the description and in the comments. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.